habit number 4. We've crossed the halfway point of our 7 habits. Audience question that came up. Will we have these slides available? Yes, I will make the slides available through Ambassador. They'll probably be doing a follow-up with most of you just to make sure that you have any content that you need or if any other questions come up. But certainly buy the book if it's relevant. But yeah, we'll be making the slides available so nobody needs to feel like they need to capture these. And Ambassador is also recording this presentation, so I'm sure on some level we'll work to make this available for you as well. Let me just see if I have any other questions. Nope. All right. So value number 4, provide value. This is really about the delivery of that goal component. So as easy as I am to please on a slightly personalized site, I am also the worst critic when I ask for information and nothing is provided in return. I'm very harsh on sites that don't deliver value when I ask for it. When I go out there and attempt to convert, I want value. If you ask me for my zip code, tell me the closest stores in my area. I also want to know what I can find. Why am I giving that up? I mean, it needs to be a very clear conversion path for me in order to give up information. What kind of value am I going to get coming back? So it's really important that we think about that. I mean, in the context of many of the shopping sites we use, when we land on an end page of a product or whatnot, we want a full description, we want recommendations, we want a full wraparound experience related to content around that aspect. And that really can help us determine value in both the content there and eventually purchasing or converting on that product. This will inevitably build a stronger relationship with our customers if we deliver this value on every layer of the conversion path. It's really a quid pro quo that goes a long way. So understand what we need, deliver it quickly, deploy globally, and touch people locally with concepts that are relevant. We've all seen a lot of, I am originally from Wisconsin, and I can tell you that Packers campaigns are notorious for selling lots of stuff because people in Wisconsin will buy Packers without fail. I mean, it's a religion here. So a lot of what we can tie into has a local dimension. Benefits of this. Again, build goodwill, membership retention, collaboration. An important concept to really start seeing as we deliver that value is people looking at you as a collaborative source. You're helping them. They, in turn, are going to help you in that procurement of product or service. Example of this, the Brookings Institute. I'm not sure many of you out there may use this site. They use a lot of personalization on the back end of this site, and that's what they use to segment and target this member population. So they're really able to deliver that value to these different groups of the site by using membership info and personalization rules to create this really compelling experience. You can see here, zone in a little. As a user on this previous slide highlighted this area of interest, it immediately took them to this Save Pages directory. So additional content is recommended based on that behavior, and they're constantly tying in this experience to deliver more value as people are moving throughout the site. All right. Here's another example. Here we have some globalization, localization strategies. Boy Scouts of America is another Sitecore client, and they're deployed using a very distributed architecture. So their infrastructure is distributed, and what they were able to allow here is that at the national council level, out to all field level divisions, and ultimately down to even troop packs with thousands of sites, each one can be managed regionally by those individual troops or whatnot, while rolling up into this centralized kind of management strategy that they have. So they can maintain some compliance while still allowing a great diversity of regionalization, which makes all these sites more relevant for the individual troops. And this really empowers people at all levels in this organization to operate locally, maximize value to their members, even while they're having a lower cost of acquisition solution on a national level. All right. So let's